Hello everybody, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for the new subbies, I love you all. I'm up to 349, I need one more to get to 350, that would be great. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you like my content. And the rest you could go check out my about section for any other info. Today I'm going to show you how to put a sticker into your bezel. The first time I did it, I didn't quite make it because I used the scissors. But I'm going to show you something better than that. I'm going to be using UV resin, UV light, and some cheap stickers. I got these from my friend Marcy. They also came with cabochons. This is a cute little owl. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the sticker and then take the backing off. And I'm going to pick a spot, an area where it would look, where I think it would look cool. I'm going to just set it down there. And I'm going to take my thumbnail and I'm going to push it into the edges. So it will catch every single piece of the bezel. It's going to crinkle a bit, but that's okay. And then I'm going to go around again. And then I'm going to take my little penknife. And I'm just going to simply, always wearing the wrong glasses. Take it into the corners and cut. It's going to be a pain in the butt, but in the end, it'll be worth it. It's still too early for me. That got screwed up. It figures. I give it a little bit of character. Hopefully the next one will do. The first one always screws up on me. I don't know why. So I guess I'll have to sell that for less. And I usually stick about 3 drops in there. And then I just stick it under the lamp for a while. Time for bezel number 2. Oh. Maybe this needs to be sharpened. I don't know. It was the angle. And I'll have to try a little bit harder. I did this beautifully with these two. Maybe because I'm nervous. And done. Isn't that gorgeous? I love it. One more. I got all kinds of bezels. I just need the cabochons to go on top. Ugh. Ah. So hopefully you can still see there's two little people at the bottom. See that? Hopefully I can get them in there without a hitch. Let's see. Sometimes I have to go around twice to be sure that it's in there. Okay, that looks good. And it just takes the time to make a new bezel for the old bezel to be fully cured. So yeah, I did better with the other two. Make sure the glue catches the edges as well, because that's what really makes it stay in there, because it's just a sticker, right? I personally never seen anybody do this, but, and this is off angle. Okay, I guess that's another cheap sell. So these are my 3 best so far. Okay, that's it. And look, yay, I did it. People in there. Okay, that's it. Thanks for stopping by. Have a great day. Namaste.